Let's break down the entirety of NQ's price action today. We will be reviewing all three of these different methodologies. First things first, we want to mark off when we start trading, which is 9:30 a.m. East. Let's go ahead and mark out all the 15-minute fair value gaps that are deemed to be important. If you have trouble finding these high time frame fair value gaps, we did make an indicator, as you can see, that will do them for you. But for now, we're going to do everything manually. I do want to pop on the enhanced market structure to see the direction. As you can see from an external liquidity perspective, we're making lower lows and lower highs, so the overall direction is short. Let's also mark the pre-market range. Okay, so essentially here we took out the low of the day. Let's move into a lower time frame now. Now, realistically, we want to find our positions within one of the higher time frame narrative gaps. We were not in a high time frame fair value gap here, but I'll show you what we were. If we actually go back out to the 15-minute, turn the enhanced market structure back on, we can essentially see that price had a sweep here and essentially pushed up. We can take our fib tool out low to high like so, and we can essentially see that we're now mitigating the 50% level of the Fibonacci. Now let's come back in. So given that we're at the 50% Fibonacci level, swept the current day low, and in the first 5 minutes of the open, we had this inverse fair value gap. This long was pretty nice. We want to target those unmitigated 15-minute fair value gaps. Now within the 15-minute fair value gaps, we want to find those inversion fair value gaps for confirmation. We didn't have any here, but we did hold this 15-minute fair value gap here, and we inverted right here. Good chance you could have taken some shorts and stopped out right here. You could have re-entered on this candle again, stops here. Now because with the enhanced market structure, we know the overall price action is short, we could have targeted right back down to these lows for like a 1 to 17. This is what I saw today from an ICT perspective. Now let's take a look at orb. All I'm going to do is turn on the indicator because it's an opening range. Go to the 5-minute. So because we were manipulating the low of the day like so, clearly wick rejected the low of the day and closed above here. This was a gorgeous position. We did go 1 to 1, so I moved my stops to break even, and unfortunately we broke even on this position. I didn't even try for the shorts because it was so late in the trading session. Now let's turn off orb and turn on pivots. Now if you don't understand what pivots are a mathematical equation that basically measures the previous day volatility to understand which levels price is most likely going to break out of. As you saw me live trade today, we had this buy here, stops down here, take profit up here. Unfortunately, you can't draw this out manually. You need the indicator to do the calculation for you. We will be releasing this soon as well, but nonetheless, I hope my insights help you.